How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to another video here this morning with the House Money Investing channel. So in this video we're going to go over a couple stock picks I have, as well as some price movements and some gains for the day. These are going to be a few stocks. This first one here is BIDU. This is a spider fund. It's a high dividend yield ETF. It focuses on the best companies out of the S&P 500. So out of those top 500 companies, you know, the ones with the best dividends are going to be here, located here. This play I'm actually down on 1.68%. You know, but that's cool because I'm getting that great dividend yield of 4.95%. So I'm getting a 5% return on my money. And as time shows, you know, this thing usually grows about 2% a year. It was beaten down during the pandemic, you know, about 20-30%, and it's on its way back up. So, you know, it's going to fluctuate. Don't panic sell, you know what I mean? Just hold on and take those gains as they come. Next we got SJNK. This is also another stock that I added right back to my watch list. This is a Bloomberg yield bond, high yield bond. So again, something that's not going to fluctuate, you know, up or down, you know, more than 5 or 4%, either way it goes, with a great dividend yield of 5.34%. So it's basically similar to a savings account, except for you actually get paid interest. So you get about 4 or 5% interest to hold this bond, and you know, it's just going to gradually go up over time. I think it goes up maybe almost 1% or right at 1% per year. So it's basically like a 6% return on your money. Then we got FLRM. This is another spider fund. This one I'm currently down on 0.01%, so it's broken even, but I get a nice little dividend of 1.22%. This thing is not going to move at all. Like literally within a percent, it's not going to go up or down more than 1%. So it's just a safe place to put your money and collect that little dividend. So you'll get a 1 to 2% return on your money. So it's just a hedge against the market. Then we got BWX, another one I added right back to the stock list. Some I'm currently in. I'm down 0.15%. This one goes up probably about 4 cents a year. So it's more of a little bit of a little growth, you know, a growth fund ETF. It's a treasury bond, but it has a little bit of growth to it. Like I said, about 4% a year. Pays about a 1% dividend as well. So it's about 4 or 5% return on your money. Safe play, not gonna fluctuate, low volatility, all that good stuff. Then we got some 52 weeks highs. We got a ICLN. This is an iShares ETF for clean energy. So basically the best clean energy companies are going to be all in this one fund, and this is something that has great growth potential. I'm currently down on it 0.58%, but it does pay me a small dividend of 0.29%. It was up 144% last year, so I'm definitely not worried about it. Clean energy is a big hype. It just hit its 52-week high, so that's going to be great. Then we got TQQQ. This is a ProShares tech-heavy shares. I love TQQQ. It's not a dividend payer, but it is a growth ETF. I'm currently up 24.49% in TQQQ. Past year was up 110%, and this is going to track the best tech companies, the top 100 tech companies out of the NASDAQ, and this is a 3 times leverage. You got QQQ and then you got TQQQ. TQQQ is 3 times the leverage, so massive growth potential. Then here we have my M1 finance portfolio. As you can see here, I'm up 30.84%. My balance is currently $702. I'm up $251. My biggest gainer thus far, This is something I swing trade out of, so I'll switch out my stocks every 3 months, every every 30 to 90 days I'm switching out my stocks. So these stocks I just got into this month or the end of last month. But the biggest gainer so far is PPL, which is up, 57.83%. In my Robinhood portfolio on PPL, I'm actually down 1.74%. So me using 12 brokerages on some of them, I might be up in a position, might be down. At the end of the day, it's going to leverage out. And I like PPL. They're great. They pay a great dividend. This thing was beaten down due to the pandemic. But I think it should make a strong bounce back. At least I think it's got about 26% growth left in it, to be honest with you. I got pending dividends for this one on January 4th, which I'll show later. But it pays that nice dividend yield of 5.89. Analysts got it 64% hold rating. EPS weren't so good in quarter 3 of 2020, but they were good in 22 of 2020. This is something I got in back in September. I collected dividends in October, collected them in January. And this is a utility company that operates throughout, the UK, as well as, in a couple of states here in the United States, like Kentucky, a couple of cities like Kentucky and Louisville and things of that nature. But they have good, good assets. They're going to sell their UK assets, which is going to give the US utilities companies more focus on theirs. PPL regulated earnings mix provides a base earning growth. The company's $13.8 billion of planned capital expenditures support near-term earnings. So definitely bullish here on PPL. Then we got some dividend payouts here in the Robinhood account. The biggest payout was GPC, which is genuine parts. But we also have ALB, RF, PPL, ALL, Walmart, PNNT, BPOP. Sorry, I need a charger. But I like genuine parts. They were beaten down during the pandemic about 50%. Still about a 4% upside in this company. They do pay a dividend. I got one expected on the 4th. I'm currently up on my position 2.72%. Plus I get a nice dividend of 3.15%. So a 3% return on my money. Plus I'm already up 2%. So I'm getting about 6% return on my money. It's got a 69% holding. And earnings have been great. Quarter 2, quarter 3 of 2020. This is the automotive sector. They distribute replacement parts, industrial replacement parts, office products, electrical and electronic materials. They do automotive, office products, electric materials. They do it for trucks, cars, other vehicles, stuff like that. They do mechanical, fluid power transmission equipment, hydraulic products, material handling, components related to parts and supplies. They got office furniture, business electronics. So they do a variety of things. Mostly focused on, the automotive sector, but also give you an exposure to the construction side. So I think like the automotive industrial part retail sectors, should consolidate around a larger participants due to their superior level of component ability, and they should benefit from that from years to come. The Alliance acquisition offers General Parts an opportunity to act as a consolidator in fragmented European aftermarket automotive parts. Raising average vehicle age and favorable fleet composition trends should be General Parts Auto Parts division. So I'm pretty bullish on this one. Like I said, nice dividend payer. Nice little growth. On average, probably going to give you about 3% a year on growth. Then we have BIDU. This is a Chinese tech company. This is in my stash account. As you can see, I own $45 of this company. Now I invested 45. It's turned into 79, so I'm up 76.43%. Gains are 39.34. This company was up 66% last year, so that just let you know, you know, that I'm doing pretty good on my hold. It typically only goes up 4% a year, but this one's boom. You know, it's not a dividend player. It's more of a growth stock, Chinese growth stock. Strong buy holdings from analysts. They just came out like mobile apps and stuff like that, and their earnings have been pretty good. And like I said, it's a software company out of China. So yeah. Then we have Acorns, valued at a little over $1,100. As you can see, I'm up a little over 3%, which isn't great, but hey, I'll take it. It's better than nothing, which is $183. That's going to be it for today's video. I will buy 21 stocks later, post those. I'll probably post some more stock movement updates, maybe some stock picks if I analyze some today and things of that nature. And then I'll get back with you guys. You know, hit the like button, please, if you like the video. It'll help my channel out a lot. I'm slowly for surely growing. I'm around like 28 subscribers at this point. So if you want to subscribe, hit the bell, follow my journey. I got 12 portfolios. I show all my buys, all my sales, all my deposits, all my withdrawals, my gains, my losses. I have stock picks 7 days a week. I got all the regular stock picks you're going to see everywhere else, and I got all the unique stock picks as well. So tune in, guys. I'd really appreciate it.